Today we're going to read Who Sank the Boat by Pamela Allen. You ready? Beside the sea on Mr. Puriffer's place, there lived a cow, a donkey, a sheep, a pig and a tiny little mouse. They were good friends, and one warm sunny morning, for no particular reason, they decided to go for a row in the boat. Do you know who sank the boat?
Mousy!
Oh, the mousy! Maybe somebody already knows. Was it the cow who almost fell in when she tilted the boat and made such a din? It's hard when you go with your fingers. No, it wasn't the cow who almost fell in. Do you know who sank the boat?
Me.
You?
Yup.
Ooh, maybe it was you.
My last night is a lot my lifesaver.
Who is the donkey who balanced her weight, who yelled, "I'll get in at the bow before it's too late"? No, it wasn't the donkey who balanced her weight. Do you know who sank the boat?
Me.
Was it the pig as fat as butter, who stepped in at the side and caused a great flutter? No, it wasn't the pig as fat as butter. Do you know who sank the boat? Tell me if I read page twice. Was it the sheep who knew where to sit to level the boat so that she could knit?
I will sink the boat.
No, it wasn't the sheep who knew where to sit. Do you know who sank the boat?
Me.
It was you. Oh, we'll see. Was it the little mouse, the last to get in, who was lightest of all? Could it be him? Do you think it was him, Felicity?
Yeah.
It was him. He did sink the boat, didn't he? And look, the sheep's wool got all wet. And they're all dripping and they have to go back.
Yeah.
And back to the farmer's house. And look, there's the boat. It's all sunk in the water. And that's the end. Good
And I
listening.
kissed